Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on TLM. In my earlier video of TLM, I was showing you a rising wedge pattern that TLM formed on the daily time frame chart, and after a fake out, it is dropped down and it has broken down the support of this rising wedge. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move, and I would also like to show you once again this huge falling wedge pattern that is formed on a weekly time frame chart, and we will also take a look at this most recent trade signal that I shared with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for TLM that I shared, by the way, on 24th of July 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that TLM formed with US dollar pair on a daily time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. And this was, by the way, more than 28% pump on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signal for you. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of TLM. And first of all, I would like to show you this daily time frame chart, and you can see that it is moving inside this rising wedge pattern since after 11th of June, after this drop. And you can see that the price then could not break out this resistance for several days. And here we had a fake out, but after a fake out, the price then dropped down, and it has now recently broken down the support of this rising wedge pattern. If we take a look at the target for this breakdown, then after the breakdown, the target can be here at the bottom of the wedge. That was approximately at 9.87 cents, and you can see that the price line dropped slightly more down than this target, but recovered very soon, and now it is moving above the resistance, a quite long-term resistance of 1 cent as well. And you can see for the past several days, the price line has been testing this support. And if we take a look at the oscillator, the stochastic oscillator, then you can see that the price line formed this low here after this drop and formed the next low that is lower than the previous low, and stochastic formed this low here, and it is forming the next low higher than the previous low. So there is a bullish divergence on this daily time frame chart. That is another other signal that the price end can recover soon, and it can re-enter the same rising wedge pattern. However, if the stochastic moves more down and forms another lower than the previous low, then this bullish divergence can be invalidated. However, so far the price line is forming lower low and stochastic is forming higher low. So there is a bullish divergence signal still on this daily time frame chart. Now let me to take you to the weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line and the movement of the price line is quite squeezed inside this very big falling wedge pattern. And now it is moving between this long-term 1 cent support and the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Once the price line will be able to break out this falling wedge pattern, then the target to the upside can be here at the top of the wedge, that can be between 90 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.